I believe the human being we're at our best. We are at our best, your personal life and your professional life. We put our backs to the wall and decide nobody's getting out of here. The only way out is that way. I'm not saying that guarantees all kids swim. I'm saying we get better results when we leverage the expertise in the room. The more time we spend on the talent around us and the less time we spend on stuff we cannot control, like is mama reading at night, is what's going on at home. We've got to leverage our collective expertise. When I make excuses in my life, I'm weakened. When those moments come and I say, all right, I'm the only one that can get us out of here, like Jeff said early on, so what, now what? I'm much more successful than I am failing. We got to turn around. You got to look at the staff. You got to look at your teammates and literally have this thought. How does any kid get out of here not ready for the next level with all this talent?